Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe allows you to perform a variety of functions for your wood turning projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to put on a desired finish by sanding a candle holder that we previously turned. Before turning on your lathe, be sure to remove all jewelry and that any loose hair is pinned back. When you're using this machine to sand, be sure to move the banjo and rest out of the way before beginning work. Turn your lathe and dust collection system on. You'll want to start with the coarsest grit, moving to the finest grit of sandpaper. Hold the sandpaper underneath on the back side and apply it against the wood piece, moving constantly to smooth all sections. Once you've achieved your desired finish, you can turn off your lathe and dust collection system. Learn more about the Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.